Okay, I have this new client, first time. All right, next.
Oh my God, my neck
Oh.
has got into a car accident
Oh my
and my
God.
neck is killing me. I can't turn. And my back, I think I messed up my back. I got pain going down my leg. And my knees are killing me. My ankle doesn't move right. And my foot is killing me. If I stand on it, I can't barely walk.
Okay, and
Oh
when
I
this?
got headaches.
Oh my God. Okay. Just take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath and relax. And out. So when this happened, this car accident?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. And did you go to the doctor? Did you talk to the doctor?
Oh, I went to urgent care and they said
Okay.
you're fine.
They said you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure they tell you this?
They said I was perfectly fine. I should just take an Advil.
That's what they told you?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys probably have those clients who come in your studio with all those symptoms and a chronic lower back pain, sharp pain, they barely walk, they can't lay down on the bed. And what you open heart, of course you try to help them because you are such a nice person and you got two ways to solve this problem. The first one, you're gonna say, lay down on that bed, and I'm gonna help you. This is the wrong because you can put yourself in super danger. Because remember, if you do something to this person, and he described all those problems, and he never go to the doctor, he never do X-ray, MRI, and he got some problems in his neck, something being broke. He don't know that, you don't know that, but you start working on him. Guess who's gonna be blamed? You. The last person being seen. And for some reason, massage therapists been blamed a lot on those problems. People come in with a chronic lower back pain, and after massage, they call you and they say, you did this, I feel this pain. So that's why, in this case, I always tell the client, okay, you know what? I think I have to skip you because we need to do X-ray, MRI. The client is going to yell at you.
No, I don't want to do that. I want to be worked on today. I came here, you said that you're an expert in my muscles and my muscles are hurting.
Yeah, and they're going to start telling you, I'm going to put some bad reviews.
If I'm going to give you a horrible review on Google and Reddit and YouTube, I'm going to make a special video about how crappy you are if you don't work on me.
And you explain, you know what, we don't know, maybe you got some problems, maybe some damage, and we don't know. We might do some X-ray or check with the doctor, but they still refuse that.
No, I don't want to do any of that. You're my doctor.
I'm not a doctor. I'm just manual therapist and massage therapist.
No, I want you to work on me now. Just shut up and do it.
You see, that's what's happening. And most of the time what I'm doing, I get the waiver to sign up. I'm going to say, okay, if we just go that, my waiver says the client being notified, the serious injury present, we don't know the case because it's happened like acute stage, or some pain. Like I said, people walk in, the sciatica shoot down. They don't know, you don't know. You let them sign in this form, and you keep this form in your profile, and don't throw away for at least like 3 years. So I keep them all up there. I don't have a lot of those forms, but sometimes we do. People come in, they just walk down the street, fall down, and they just find us out on the phone, walk in the office or call for the home service. So I let him sign in the form. He just sign in. That's it. So I'm notified my client is in trouble. Now he can lay down on the floor, on the table, and we're going to start work. But of course, we're going to ask a lot of questions. Why it's happening, how it's happened, when the hit was. Usually, like I said, car accident, I'm probably going to send them away to the MRI or doctor. But he signed the form, I can work on him and at least get that little bit stress away, because sometimes people just stress from that car accident. They just scared. And just don't Don't forget about whiplash. Is going to comes up in the next 72 hours. Maybe tell the clients come back in 48 hours or 72 hours. Let's see how he's feel. So thanks for watching this video. I call them fragile clients, so you don't know what's going on, and you have to be really careful. I put the sticker fragile on that body. So we guys see you later.